Samsung is going to launch their S26 series very soon. So the main highlight of this series will be the Ultra, the renamed Pro and the Edge. But there is a huge change. First of all, the phone we are referring to, Samsung S26 Pro, is not actually Pro. It is actually the base variant that we already know as S24 or S25. They are going to rename it and now it will be called the S26 Pro, but there is a small catch that the display size will be a little bigger, so the phone handiness will be compromised by a little bit. But the biggest change will be the S26 Edge. Samsung is planning to ditch completely the S26 Plus and introducing the Edge that we already get as S25 Edge previous year or this year, going to be included in the main series instead of a different phone. But now the leaks are suggesting that Samsung is completely ditching this phone. So probably we will get the S25 Pro and the S25 Ultra, sorry, S26 Pro and the S26 Ultra. The S26 Ultra, there will be some upgrades and some downgrades. Like the telephoto lens is going to be a 12 megapixel 3x telephoto. The periscope will remain the same 50 megapixel lens. The S Pen is still in the phone, but the phone is going to be slimmer than before, so S Pen will get a resize or redesign, and obviously there will be no Bluetooth features. The Pro or the base S25, it get a little bit display size bigger than previous years, a little bit bigger battery, so better battery life. But the biggest change or something that we all does not want or don't want is that the Exynos chipset. Yes, Samsung is again planning to launch the whole S26 series with their new Exynos 2600. Point is that this processor will be a 2nm based processor, so it will be much more power efficient. But we already know that Samsung can't manage heat controlling in the Exynos, so even though it will be a 2nm processor, still due to heating it might lose the battery backup than expected. Yeah, they are not using the silicon carbide tech, so still same 5000 milliampere battery in the Ultra and probably 4000 in the Pro. Now some looks are suggesting that they will be launching the Plus model, but I don't think, because from the start planning they are completely ditching this phone, so now at the end it will probably impossible for them to reintroduce it. But if they introduce it, there will be no big changes, everything will be same with the Plus model. With Ultra, you now get a new sensor in the telephoto and the main sensor will be upgraded with bigger aperture numbers. Rest everything probably remains same, but there is a strong leak that probably the front camera or selfie camera will get a square sensor like the iPhone 17 series. So you will get portrait, landscape, every photo in same lens and with bigger clarity and other things. Now many of the leaks are suggesting that this phone will launch out of the box with Android 17, but I don't think so. It will launch with Android 16 and it will be running with One UI 8.5. Now One UI 8.5 is already leaked. There are so much new features. Obviously some new AI addition will be added, but in AI category there will be a big chances that in-device processing will be launching this year. So like Apple, it will be do some tasks in device. Already it had done some, but the amount of tasks will be better, so more privacy concerns. So that's a good thing. If you think and like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.